Okay, today I'm going to try the beginning of patching this bit of drywall mishap here anyway. This will be a big one. I've been teaching myself how to fix drywall patches, or holes in drywall I should say. I've done that one, needs to be sanded. I've done this one. I have done this one and that one. Still have one more small one to go, but those are easy, I've discovered. This one's more challenging. The reason for these holes were electricity rewiring, so why they weren't patched at the time the holes were made. Again, that example, I have no idea. I would have patched it up immediately, but that's me, and again, I am not king. So this will be the first time doing one this big. We'll see how it goes.